Okay, here's another example you can try. Find the total area of this cylinder. Okay, so if we're looking for the total area of the cylinder, well, just remind ourselves what is the formula for the total area of a cylinder. So remember, the total area of a cylinder is the lateral area plus the area of the top plus the area of the bottom. Okay, so we can do that. Let's look at the actual formula. Remember, the lateral area is the circumference times the height. 2 pi r is the circumference times the height, and that will give us the lateral area, and then pi r squared plus pi r squared. Each circle is pi r squared, so we can say 2 pi r squared. Okay, so in this formula we need an r, we need the radius, and we need the height. We need the radius. Okay, so we don't have the radius, we have the diameter of the top of the circle on the top here. We have the height, but we don't have the radius, so we have to do one little extra step before we can apply the formula. So we have to find the radius given the diameter. But we know that the radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2. So we have to do this little extra step. So the diameter is 7.6 centimeters divided by 2, 3.8 centimeters. So now we know the radius and we know the height. So we can just plug them into the formula and we can get the total area. So let's plug it into the formula. So now we know it's 2 times pi. Pi we always know, 3.14, times the radius, 3.8 centimeters, times the height, 11.9 centimeters, plus 2, because we have two circles, one on top, one on the bottom. We have to find the area of those two circles. Is pi r 3.8 squared. Okay, so here we have centimeters times centimeters, which will give us centimeters squared, plus centimeters to the power 2, that's centimeters squared. So centimeters squared plus centimeters squared will be centimeters squared. So when we work all this out, the lateral area is 284 centimeters squared, and the two circles together come out to 90.73 centimeters squared. So centimeters squared plus centimeters squared are centimeters squared, 374 centimeters squared. How did you do? Did you get it right?